Here's how you can customize the ultimate ultra dark mode on the iPhone running iOS 26 or later, including the new iOS 26.2 dark lock feature. Now follow each step and you'll get the deepest, smoothest, battery-friendly dark mode possible for your iPhone. Okay, first we want to turn on the base dark mode. So we go into settings, and in settings, go down and tap on display and brightness. From here, select the dark appearance for your device. So this will allow your device to go into dark mode. Next, we're going to enable tinted mode in liquid glass. This is a new trick in iOS 26. So go into settings, and then we go down and tap on display and brightness. From here, tap on liquid glass. Now it may set to clear by default. You can see in the preview window here, when it is set to clear, the background of the control will be kind of see-through. So you want to tap on tinted. That will bring up a darker color for the control. So select tinted, and tinted mode will add a soft, even layer of darkness across your user interface. Next, we need to reduce the gray glow and the background blur by turning on reduce transparency. Now we can do this by going into settings. So tap on settings and then tap on accessibility. Next we go down and tap on display and text size. Then go down and tap on reduce transparency. So tap on the toggle button to turn this on. This removes see-through layers and makes everything look more solid and dark. So here you can see when I turn on or off, it will make the changes. Now you can also set these settings as a shortcut to the action button, so that when you press it, it will toggle the reduce transparency on or off, as you can see right here. If I press it, it will go brighter or darker. So to do that, you can go into settings. Here I will go back to settings, and then we go down and select the action button. So scroll down, tap on action button, and you want to swipe across where it said accessibility. So just keep swipe across like this until you see it said accessibility right here, and then tap on the drop down and select reduce transparency, so that when you press on it, it will allow you to quickly toggle on or off like that. Now you can see this feature better when I choose a lighter background. So you can see here when I press on it, it goes to a lighter or a darker background. Next, we turn on reduce white point, as this removes harsh white highlights and softens the last remaining grays. So we do that by going into settings. So go back to settings, and then we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on display and text size. Now we scroll down and turn on reduce white point. And here you can drag on the slider bar to increase or decrease the strength of the white point. Now this option is this feature is optional, so you can leave it to a brighter if you want a brighter text, or if you want the text to go a bit darker, you can drag the slider or the swiper to the right to reduce the white point. Next, we're going to add dark mode toggle to the control center, and we swipe down at the top and tap on the add button, and then tap on add a control, and you want to look for dark mode. So here it is. So tap on that to add it to the control center, and from here you can quickly switch on or switch off dark mode on your device. And for the deepest possible black, you want to turn on smart invert. So we can go into settings and then tap on accessibility. Next, we scroll down and tap on display and text size, and then turn on smart invert. So turn this on. with this particular features, this darkens apps that don't officially support dark mode. Now, another thing that you may want to do is set the wallpaper to a completely dark background. So you want to go into settings and tap on wallpaper. Next, swipe across and add in a new wallpaper. Tap on the add button, then select photos, and from here choose a dark background photos. You can Google for a dark or black background picture, and then tap on add, and then set as wallpaper. Now we have a completely black background. Then in here, you from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot, and then tap on edit at the top here. Then you tap on customize, and here you also want to select dark, so that all the icons on your home screen becomes a darker icons. Now, as for the lock screen, you can also customize it so that the clock will becomes darker as well. So touch and hold, then tap on customize, and then tap on the clock. This will bring up an editing window. Here you want to swipe across and tap on the last icon here, the color chooser, and you want to choose black, so that will becomes black, and then tap on the close button. Go down here, you can drag it all the way to the left or to the right. You can make it darker, a bit brighter or a bit darker, and from here we can select solid or glass. You want to select glass to make it really dark. So here it is. So it is completely dark now, and then tap on done to save the changes to the clock. Becomes very dark as well at the top there. Choose this background here, and if I customize it, so if I customize the clock, and here I choose a darker black, I can make it darker and drag it down, and that's the clock on my lock screen, and this is my home screen. Okay, and that's how you create the ultimate ultra dark mode on iPhone with iOS 26.2. If this helped, tap like and subscribe, and check out the links below for more iPhone customization guides. Thank you for watching this video.